Back we go, August 22nd in the market. We go. Somebody stocks. Of course, the market's closed today. We'll be open back up tomorrow, Monday. And let's take a look at some more stocks. We're doing taking a look at small caps, mid, large, SPACs, EV stocks, you name it. Just I have a whole list of stocks. Pretty much they made runs. Some are oversold. Some could be bounces soon. It's just all different variety of stocks. The RMO, let's take a look at this. This is Romeo Power. This is another the EV sector. This came about, let's look at this little blip here. April 1st, 2019. Went sideways. Imagine going sideways for pretty much over a year plus. And then back in December, like we said, this is where they all ran. They all had the same pattern. You have 10, 12. Shot up to 19, came back. And then we bounced and came back in, another bounce. Your 13 is above your 20 EMA. 13 EMA is the pink line, 20 is the white line, 20 exponential moving average. And then we went all the way up to 38.90. And then down we go. We came down pretty hard and fast. Not many bounces. Small one here, a little bit here. And eventually then we came out of this right here. Came out of this wedge. You saw it 750, rode all the way up to 1050, 1079, came back. And down we go. So this is in a real downtrend right now. Got really hammered these days. Look at this. And then you had a gap down here. So this is looking really bad at this point. Try to put in some lines here to see if they connect. Pretty much looks like channel down. Not really a wedge channel. There's your high connection points. You're at 443, so it could get a bounce. You're very oversold. On the weekly, see you went up here. Look at this. Straight up, that was bullish. Straight down, bearish. A little bouncy. It never really moved. It got to 30. That's nothing on stochastics. It's still oversold. Now you're at a 511 and you cross negative again. So this is really bearish. Monthly, you have a form stochastics going down. Look at this. So when this started right here, monthly, this peak, if I move this over a little bit, this candle here, see this? That's a high wick shooting star. The move is over. And what happened there was you're going down stochastic. See this? Divergence. This is going down while this is going up. That means the move will be over soon. And that's what happened. And you came down. You're 277. There's nothing bullish right now. You could get bounces. You might get a bounce up here, but I wouldn't, count on it for a big bounce. I mean, we could get to 455. We'll see what happens here. Are we going to get a 650? I'm not sure. The trend is down. Nothing's looking good. That's the problem. A lot of these stocks are in a downtrend. So we'll see what happens. Look for news. News always helps. Anything like that. All right, Twitter. This is when a huge run back in January. It was 46 to 80. Came down, bounced. Came down again, bounced to 72. You have, excuse me, gap here. Came to 50. I think I called this. You can go back in my videos. This is way back in May. I said it's going to at least, I thought it'd fill the gap, halfway. You always look for halfway. And this took off too. Look at this. All the way to pretty much 70, 70. That's a great long there. You can play these swings in a month. Working a job, you don't have to sit behind your desk and just I have to day trade every minute. That's not what day trading is. And then, or swing trading. And then you form a top here. Look at this. And down we go. Very oversold, 614 right now in stochastics. See, weekly, toward the peak up here, you came down oversold. This is a nice run. See, that was the run. You're crossing down, so you're negative right now. Now, where is this going to come back up? It's not coming up yet. So weekly's not there yet. Monthly, should have caught in between. It's not showing much. I mean, from here, your high, it's pretty much getting lower. And you can put on a move like this as a wedge down. See if I can connect this. Yeah, this is a wedge down. See this? The space, you're getting tight. Yeah, can we come up to 64, 66? I think we can on this. You know, you're playing the daily chart oversold. I would look for that. You know, right now the stop is this right here, the 6150 level. So watch that level, you know, if you're playing it that way. And we'll see where it goes from here. The market, you know, has been up. Yesterday was up. It's forming kind of a peak up here. That's what I mean. We'll watch for news here. Coronavirus, Delta variant, you know, a lot of things going on in Afghanistan. And, you know, this Delta variant, these other, Florida had 150,000 cases, I think, one day, which is incredible. So we'll see what happens here. And, you know, like I said, a lot of these stocks are coming down. They're not in an uptrend. There's so many categories are not going up. So in these like SPACs, these EVs, even what else? Casino stocks. Casino stocks, a lot of them are going down. Airline stocks are going down. Yeah, the cruise liners are going down. You know, stuff like Royal Caribbean. So they took a hit with this coronavirus again. So, you know, we're going to get a big downtrend soon. They made a peak from March. Remember, the stock market's moved from March pretty much straight up with few major pullbacks. So we're going to see what happens here. I think the next 6 months can be really interesting. And then you have the Fed taper. Are they going to lay off a little bit? I mean, let off the gas and, you know, raise rates. So we'll see. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Alerts. And TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades. Peace.